Today, we're diving into the first leaks and rumors of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, the upcoming powerhouse of the Xiaomi 15 series. The official launch may still be a few months away, but thanks to recent leaks, we already have a pretty good idea of what to expect. Let's break it down. So first up, the design. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra will come in both sleek black and white options. And if you're into unique finishes, we're looking at a faux leather, glass, and even a ceramic back. Tons of choices for every style. Now, let's talk about the camera. This Ultra model is rumored to sport a 50MP main sensor with a wide 23mm focal length and a super bright f/1.6 aperture, but that's not all. It'll also feature a 200MP periscope telephoto lens with 4.3x optical zoom, delivering a focal length of 100mm for those crisp, detailed shots. There's also a 32MP front camera, perfect for all your selfies. Moving to the display, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will reportedly have a 6.7-inch 2K LTPO micro-quad curved screen with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. And to top it off, it'll have an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor right under the display. Very high-tech. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and get this, it's expected to pack up to a whopping 24GB of RAM. Combine that with HyperOS 2.0 based on Android 15, and you've got yourself a beast of a phone. Lastly, it's rumored to include a massive 6,200 mAh battery, which should keep this Ultra device powered up all day long. Exciting stuff, right? Xiaomi is clearly aiming for the top spot with the 15 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, are you as hyped as I am? Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more first looks and tech updates. See you in the next video.